Are you ready to draw more big vehicles? Grab your markers again. Let's go! What are we drawing now? Look carefully. It's big. Yes, it's big. Can you guess? Can you guess? It has a spinning drum. It has a spinning drum. Can you guess? It's a cement mixer. Yes, a cement mixer. Say it with me. Cement mixer. Cement mixer. It turns and turns and turns. Round and round goes the drum. Round and round goes the drum. Let's color the cement mixer blue. Blue, blue, blue. Color it blue. A big blue cement mixer. Fantastic job! Now, what's this big truck? It has a big bag that goes up and down. Can you guess? Goes up and down. What is it? Can you guess? Yes, it's a dump truck. Dump truck. Yes, a dump truck. Say it with me. Dump truck. Dump truck. It carries sand and rocks. Up it goes and down it comes. Up it goes and down it comes. Let's color the dump truck brown. Brown, brown, brown. Color it brown. A big brown dump truck. Amazing coloring. Say it with me. Dump truck, dump truck. It carries sand and rocks. Up it goes and down it comes. Brown, a big brown dump truck. Well done, kids. Good work. And now the last one. It's big. It's heavy. It rolls and rolls. Can you guess? It's big. It's heavy. It rolls and rolls. Can you guess? It's a road roller. Yes, a road roller. Say it with me. Road roller. Road roller. It rolls forward, it rolls back. Roll, roll, roll. It's big, it's heavy, it rolls and rolls. It's a road roller. Yes, a road roller. Let's color the road roller yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Color it yellow. A big yellow road roller. Yellow. Big, heavy road roller. Let's color it. You are such wonderful artists. Keep drawing and coloring.